it's an uneven recovery in a risk-adjusted sort of framework of investing, we have to take all risks into consideration, and certainly Delta and its implications for the region are part of those risks that we should consider. So I don't think it changes our stance. And Sri, I'd add one other thing. We're not managing our portfolio day to day, year to year. We're really managing for long-term returns. So we need to take into account the risks that exist today and manage the portfolio for the long term. But it doesn't sort of change our stance in a short-term way in any way, shape, or form. So I think it's kind of back to kind of the way we think about our portfolio construction.
All right. Mukul, how closely is Temasek watching inflation? And if it is transitory, as many do believe it will be, will it therefore have limited impact on your investments that are longer term in scope and definition, and therefore does not necessarily warrant any shift in strategic direction?
That's a great question. I think we do believe that inflation is likely to be transitory, although it will last a year, possibly more. So I don't think it's short term, it is transitory in our view. That being said, again, in the construction of a long-term portfolio, we do take various scenarios into account, and certainly tail risks around inflation are part of those scenarios. So it doesn't change the behavior. We have to we have to always rebalance our portfolio as we normally do for all scenarios, one of which is tail risks around inflation.